everybody, and this is morning, and I am on my second day at the Webkinz restaurant. It's pretty packed. See, some of them aren't Webkinz. Let's get this party started! Okay, let's get started. Who's up first? Okay, Googles, what would you like? I would like a burger with sweet tea. That'll be coming right up. Burger. Here's your burger. Wait. Here's your burger. Here's your plate for your burger. But my burger will get all soggy and cold on the ground. I don't care. And here's your sweet tea. And here's your fork for your hamburger. How much do I owe you? Okay, you owe me $1 and a nickel. Okay. Here's $1 and here's a nickel. That's a fake nickel. No one gives Goldie a fake nickel. Sorry, I think I picked up the wrong change. Just give me the nickel. Yes. Thank you. Come again. Oh, you never know. I might not. Fine. You may not then. Yeah. Enjoy your food. Oh, I will. Then. Delicious. Next. Hi, I'm Moo Mousy. And what would you like, Moo Mousy? Or cheese, or whatever. I would like sweet tea with ice cream.
Goodbye.
It always does that, the cash register. Okay, it will be coming right up. Sweet tea. Here's your sweet tea. Here's your ice cream. And here's a spoon for your ice cream. I only need a spoon if I had a cup, but I have a cone. Oh, then never mind. Okay, you owe me. Ouch. Oh no, my nickel fell on the ground. There it is. Okay, you owe me $1.25. You mean 25 cents? Yeah, whatever. $1. There you go. I'm looking at my change. And there's a quarter. Thank you. Come again. Oh, I will. Hey, Googles, how's yours? Oh, it was fantastic. Don't forget your sweet tea. Look how much money I earned so far. $2.25 and a nickel. Next! Hello, I'm Pink Googles. And what would you like, Pink Googles? I'll have popcorn and sweet tea. That'll be coming right up in a jiffy. Here's your popcorn.
Hi.
And here's your sweet tea. How much do I owe you? How is that gonna work when you're paying on the cash register? It does. Okay, so how much? $10 and a penny. Okay. Because, okay. Here's the $10. Here's a penny. Thank you. I'm gonna put on my money. Look how much money I earned. And look how much coins. So the others will be coming on the next episode.